Hi everybody, Brody here again from the chopping block. It's March, it's less than 2 weeks away from St. Patrick's Day, so we've got some Irish features for you. Today, it's a Dublin Coddler, or Irish Coddler. It's a stewed Irish banger sausage with potatoes, carrots, and onions. It's a very simple dish, one pot. You stew all the sausages and vegetables together with a little bit of beef broth to cover. Cooks for about 45 minutes to an hour. It's super easy. You can find our Irish banger sausages on the shelves of the chopping block right up until the end of March. So first step is to sear off the Irish banger sausages in our cast iron pan. That pan is at a medium-high heat. We're going to follow that with our onions and carrots. As always, you want to make sure to season that with salt and pepper and a light sweat on these guys. You're not looking for any color. This also might have been a good time to add in some nice chunks of streaky bacon. Honestly, I forgot. So here we're taking all the sauteed vegetables out of the pan. I'm just going to set them aside and then layer the sausages in the bottom of the pan. And then return with our sauteed vegetables. That's going to keep the sausages from floating up out of the broth. We want them in the broth, soaking up all that flavor. So now we're going to cut the potatoes in half lengthwise. We're going to score them about 3/4 of the way through. So they still stick together like the potato, so you can arrange them on top of the dish. The scoring just helps them soak up all that beefy, pork, sausagey flavor. It also looks super cool. So now you're going to go ahead and arrange the potatoes across the top of the dish. Flat side down, scored side up. Make sure you season those potatoes with salt and pepper before you cover it and put it into the oven. So after 30 minutes in the oven, you're going to take it out and baste those potatoes with that nice rich beef broth. So the last step here is to take it out of the oven after that 30 minutes. Sprinkle some freshly chopped herbs on there. I've got parsley and rosemary here, but you can use anything you like. And it goes back into the oven for another 15, and there you have it. And if you're wondering, those slippers and feet belong to my lovely wife, Heather.
I tell these YouTube bitches.